Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Fourfold is a great game in which we're trying to create balanced equations. So students will be playing individually or in pairs, and they will lay out as many cards as they want to, but as an even number of cards laid out. And they will on their turn over 4 cards. The students are going to look at these cards and see that they could add the 9 and the 5 together, which equals 14, and the 8 and 6 together, which equals 14. So that player will collect those 4 cards. The next team or player will turn over 4 cards, and we could do 5 times 4 equals the same as 10 times 2. So that would be 20 and 20, so it's a balanced equation. The next player goes and they turn over 4 cards, and they have this problem, which is 7 times 7 equaling 49. So they can take those cards also. So there's different ways that you can take cards. You just have to be creative, and that one side equals the other side. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.